In this review of the Rising antivirus, I will like to explain why to use Rising antivirus. The first reason is that it's completely free, and the Rising antivirus company CEO said that it will be free forever, so there is no problem for purchasing this software antivirus solution. That's the first reason. Second reason is that its detection rate is outstanding. It won. It also won the prestigious awards like PB Script Award, the Virus Bulletin Awards, and AV Corporative Awards. So this is a very recommended product for the cleaning of the virus. And other than that, what is very useful in this antivirus is that along with the antivirus, it also gives the users the privilege to clean the spywares. Other antivirus softwares which are free normally don't give the anti-spyware ability. They say purchase it, but the Rising antivirus gives it free. And as you can see here on the screen, the look of the Rising antivirus is better than any other antivirus product you can find. It does the automatic updates on its own, so you don't even have to worry about updating your antivirus. You just connect the internet and it starts updating on its own. And there are some features here in the Rising antivirus, such as like you can find them here. 1 minute, let me show you. See here, if you click on the audit, it will give you what you have to do to improve your security of the computer. So it says join Rising Cloud Security. That's the essential part, where you join this community, and what it does, it's like if there is any suspicious file found on your system, it will be sending it automatically to Rising antivirus website for them to see if there is any malicious malware involved in it or not. If you want to send a file to the Rising antivirus website, it's up to you. You can uncheck that option if you don't want to send these files, but I recommend sending this file because it will be better to make the antivirus product becoming more better, as many people, thousands and millions of people from around the world are sending these files, so the response and the updates gets very fast. They come very fast, so we can get them fast, and it will be better for our own protection. And these all should be on, and this scan all drives is not yet done by me, so it shows like a cross arrow. Okay, so if your antivirus update is not done properly, here it will show it like here also the cross mark and say that update the Rising antivirus, but currently, as you see, it's up to the mark, so it says okay. So this is the thing. Now you see here in the home, you will see virus definition. What is the virus definition? And it is also showing that what is the mode and all. And the other interesting thing here is that as you can see here, also it shows you news that it won the VB 100 award in December. So that's the very prestigious award, and you can see it like in the Google pack, which they provide, like free softwares bundled in the one software which you get from the Google website. There they now include the Rising antivirus in the China package. So see, that much reputation is this antivirus has. Okay, so here you see the latest news and all of these things. Okay, And here, as I showed you the audit board, there is the quick scan. This option is very nice. You just click there, quick scan, and what it does is it's like it just does the quick scan of the system folders. So if the virus is there in the system folder, it will be getting detected by the quick scan. Okay, so this is a very nice feature. You don't have to scan entire hard disk to find the virus. You just see it in the memory of the PC. If you get the latest updates and you do the quick scan, it's okay. Okay. Other than that, now I'm stopping this because I have done quick scan and my system is clean, so I'm stopping it now. Okay. And for the defense and all, it shows you like system reinforcements. They are enabled, and you want to do further settings, you can go in like any of these. Okay, and if you go on any of this, it says settings. You go in the settings and you will see that the USB monitor blocks malware on USB storage media, CDs, DVDs and network drives. And it is all should be like check marked and say ask me. Okay, and you can even auto answer here, just like refuse. Okay, so it will not even ask you, it will by default just like refuse it. I will show you these options later. Okay, so here is this defense, then tools. The tools are there, like there is, if there is anything in the quarantine folders, so you can just click here the run, then it will be running the quarantine files and you will see what the files are there. Okay, now it is here. You see there is none here, so there is nothing to be shown. Okay, now I will say to you, like it also has the self protection. So if anything tries to modify and just like wants to quit the Rising antivirus will not allow it, because it has the protection, self protection. So whenever you want to change anything in this, it will give you a text message, and then if you put it properly, then only the changes can be made. This is a very good feature because it is ensuring more protection, so no Trojan or any virus can go through this. Okay, now we will see the settings, the detailed settings. Okay, this is the detailed settings. Now we are here. Now this is like if you want to enable the startup scan, you can enable this. So what happens is, like when you boot the computer, before loading the Windows, it will load this startup scan and you can scan the PC through that startup scan, and there is 4 seconds warning. If you don't want to continue with scanning the hard drive with the antivirus, you can just wait, and after 4 seconds the window leaves and you are in the Windows, so there is no problem there. Okay, so this is the settings. Now we are at the scan setup. Now there is the manual scan. Manual scan means which you do by your own. These settings I recommend keeping it like clean virus, and when failed to clean the virus, then delete. If you don't know how to make it, it's like you click this drop arrow and you select this clean virus, and then if it is failing to clean it, then delete it. Okay, and if it fails to delete, then it's like ask me what to do. Then here at the up you see custom level, you see. So click on the custom level, and what you do is like all the boxes here should be check marked, all of them. Okay, so that be ensuring more protection. Okay, when you do that, put the check mark in all the boxes, then click apply here. Okay, then it will show you some code. If it does, then put the code exactly as it is shown. It is case sensitive, so you have to put it like if it is capital or small letter, you have to see that and enter the code properly. And yes, then there is this rising standby scan. This is again the actions. It's like clean, then delete. Okay, then the files to all the files and all that, and target should be like memory and system core and all that. You can select all of them if you like, and here it is the main thing. You check marked all of these, okay, till the end, and click OK. And do it the same for everything. Like for the startup scan, it should be like all services and drives. That's okay. Then office, then again custom level, then check mark all of them. Then outlook, clean virus and all that. Then again, as you see here, check mark all of them. Other embedded scan, it's like clean, and again here put check mark in all of them. See here, you see I'm not done with it, so it's like I put it here. Okay, now click OK. Now you see there is, it's showing me the code. Now I have to put the code exactly. As you see, there is the Z, which is capital, so it's like Z capital, then 3, then I. Okay, so now it will accept this setting. Then it's like coming to auto protect. Okay, okay, file monitor, it should be like clean, then delete, then advance. Okay, here should be again like put check mark everywhere. Email monitor is also there, so it's like at the email monitor also you do the same. Okay, then again the customs, then again put all the check boxes. Then it's like system reinforcement, so here also it's like you can check mark if you like, but I recommend not check mark anything here, because it will be asking you more questions. Okay, so leave it as it is. Then application control, there is nothing you have to do here. Then malicious behavior interceptor, you just keep it as it is. No, and then it is like USB, CD, DVD. Okay, then it's like put check mark in all of them, and it's like ask me. Then for web trojans, it's like deny, that's the setting. Then self protecting, it's like okay, custom whitelist, then it's like schedule, smart setup, connection. Okay, this is the smart update which runs on by its own. It's like automatic update, so it runs like every 2 hours, so there is no problem for it. You don't have to update your antivirus by right clicking and all that. It does on its own. Okay, then there is the other setting which has the rising password. If you put any password here, it will be like you only know this password, so no one can alter the settings of the rising antivirus. This will be useful if you have many people using your PC, so no one can mess with your settings, so you can just give it the password there in this column. So you have to just enable and give the password. Okay, rising cloud security, it's like you have to click on join the rising cloud security, and it's like automatically send possible malwares. If you want, then you can just check mark it. If you don't want, you can just remove it. It is depending on you. I recommend keeping these 3 on. It is good. Now it is like okay. Now we are here, and this is it. This is the settings for the rising antivirus. I hope you can do it very nicely by seeing this video. And if you have any other questions and anything, please don't ask me, because I have made this video so to show you how it works. If you have any more problems, you can go to the help and then see the help file for more information. Okay, and you can even go to the website and see it. Thanks for watching, and we will see each other again soon in the new review if I make any. Thanks all. Bye.